Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma hagasni palay ulakdobet yagi Jingtei ha Jorabat jong ka jala Meghalaya kum ka dauba halindat jong ka Shlei ka bujuja man kapor ha Guwahati. Dak bakdo ya ka kaipot jong ka komiti bala aibor bala thau da ka Supreme Court Sarma ulaong baka Kynnoh kalpun pawi ki kamshna yeng bean ha than Jorabat kamtam ha saudong ka Ustm kum ka daw ka bakraw ya ka Shlei bat ka tuat ha ka jala Assam. Ula benrap ru bawat kakat liang sun ha Guwahati ru kadon ka jingma namar ka ka betuat na Meghalaya. Kani ka kam kadang don ha ka jing bishar bat an sa syong bishar ha ka yeng bishar ba kli ru ya kani ka mat la bishar benya da ka Supreme Court Constituted Empowered Committee kabala kdo ha ka kaipot jongka bagi Jingtei ha Jorabat kamtam ha Ustm bat ki jaka marjan kabu jingma ka bakraw ya ka Guwahati na ka Shlei long usarma ha kilat pathai kubo dak bakdo halor ka Shlei ka bajur ha ka sngi palai hadian bajur bha uslam ulakdo ba ka Meghalaya ka dap pensange ki kam penroi ha ka than bernihat namar ka jing sngokhya ka jing jabo bat menta ulakentu ya ka jila Meghalaya ban perkhat ban ne kumju ya ka Jorabat ngan kerpat tang ya ka sarkar Meghalaya ban pet kumno ban te lakam ya Jingtei penroi hapo bat saudong jong ka Jorabat lem kumta ka Shlei ha Guwahati kandong ka ba omla ban te lakam namar ka ka bahyar na kilom jong ka Meghalaya omla ban persha ada ka nu ka jat jing pentut hangni loong Menteri Rangba ka Assam usarma ula kado kerpang ya Jingtei saudong jong ka Ustm kum ka bak Himma shushu bat ula krenshai bak Assam kan penbor ya ka mukat duma jong ka hakmat ka yeng bishar ba klidu ulaong ba udang ya kendu bat Menteri Rangba na Meghalaya halor kan kamat hendrei ula banjur baklem ka jing khanglat ya Jingtei ha ki jaka omla banyada ya ka Guwahati.
This matter has been examined by the Supreme Court Constituted Empowered Committee and they have given a very devastating report citing that the development in Jorabat, particularly in Ustm and surrounding area, will pose a huge threat to Guwahati. Even Guwahati airport is now receiving a threat because of water which are coming from the hillock of Meghalaya from that part. Now, these are the Bornihat Meghalaya government has stopped the development activity because of pollution. I think Meghalaya government has to take a sympathetic consideration regarding the impact in Assam. So I will only appeal Meghalaya government to see that how development in around Jorabat can be controlled. Otherwise, Guwahati will be unmanageable city. It will be very difficult. We will not be able to keep Guwahati intact because the kind of water comes down is something which cannot be registered by any kind of drainage. So I am talking to CM Meghalaya. Supreme Court is seized of the matter. Any day matter will come up for hearing and we will argue before Supreme Court. We don't want to talk good or bad about a neighboring state. We will argue before Supreme Court because already Empowered Committee has submitted a clear report that today whatever Guwahati is facing because of the development in and around Jorabat, you can see the Ustm, but what is happening the backside of Ustm is much more dangerous. That is within their rights. Yes. So Meghalaya within their rights to develop their own state. Now Nagaland, Arunachal, they have their own rights to develop their state. So that these are the dichotomy because Assam is at the plain. So if there is a development, impact will be Assam. But then they say that why only Assam should be developed, why not we? Deprived. So these are the debate and ultimately now matter has reached Supreme Court and it will be decided in the Supreme Court.
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ka jing stang bathuma ki jing ikai bapura katkom kajok ka bamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing ikai. Kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, bat QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjob ki urlong bat ki galalong ka jingshisha.
MIT University Meghalaya ka jingya lenti ka bastang shakalaway bachok.